Happy New Year!
Hello guys, I had a great 2024. I have built up my dream workshop by different types of Sinostar LED lights.
Yes, last year we introduced many our different kinds of LED workshop lights. Let's have a review. In the first few videos, we introduced the hexagon lightning. You can learn how to install, how to customize, how to dim, and all the details from the videos.
If you are bored with the hexagon lights, you can watch the last video for different designs. I also highly recommend our RGB lights. You can check our videos to learn how to use them.
And for professional PPF and wrapping works, we introduced the workshop lights and panel lights in November. We really had a nice 2024 and helped many customers to get their dream garage. Let's see the real cases in last year.
Light up your workshop. Find Sinostar.